My name is Roger Gregush. I'm an orthopedic surgeon, fellowship trained in adult reconstruction. I actually knew from a pretty young age that I wanted to be an orthopedic surgeon, more specifically a joint surgeon. My mom actually had pretty severe arthritis at a pretty early age. She was in her early 40s, and she essentially at one point was almost wheelchair bound, and she was unable to walk as about her hips were, and she ended up having both her hips replaced and then her knees as well, and it just completely changed her entire outlook on life and got me interested in orthopedics. My older brother's also an orthopedic surgeon, and so I can't say that that didn't motivate me a little bit as well. I don't try to look at any patient as a hip, a knee, or a shoulder. My ultimate goal when I'm treating any patient is really just to help them in any way that I can, whether that be with surgery or an injection or therapy, or even just talking to the patient and listening to them and finding out what exactly is bothering them. And when you're looking at someone, whether they've been dealing with pain for a long time, and then you see someone who's not able to really get around without a crutch or a cane, and they come back almost jogging into clinic 2 months later, it's pretty awesome seeing that. It's a good feeling, like you feel like you really positively impacted someone's life. Bone and joint really stood out to me, honestly, from the first moment that I got here, and I was just kind of really impressed with just the way that they essentially put the patient first and essentially patient care first, and everything that they do, it's kind of really ingrained in the culture here. Everything's kind of built around giving essentially the highest quality care that we can to people that we treat. I have clinic here in Wausau in the Rib Mountain area, and then I go to Plover as well, usually once a week, sometimes twice a week. And yeah, I really enjoyed it, and it's given me a chance to interact with a larger patient population and more people in the community. I'd say first and foremost, I'm definitely a family man at heart. Yeah, I have 2 boys and a little girl. I enjoy outdoor activities in general too. I like to go hiking, I like to try to stay in shape. Me and my wife will exercise together. But honestly, the majority of my time when I'm not at work is spent with my family. I'm Roger Gregush. I'm an orthopedic surgeon at Bone and Joint, and I'm here to help you.